Hey guys, Standell, President Florida Suncoast. Hope you're doing well. Hey, it's a little off kilter. You can sort of see up in the background behind me some of the heavier clouds and stuff rolling in. Videoing this on Monday night, just trying to hedge our bet about what our communications could be later this week with the storm rolling in. So a couple things I want to call your attention to. Hey, we've got a couple cool things happening. This Saturday, October 1st, is the first Cars and Coffee on the property at BMW of Sarasota. We have to sort of wait and see what happens. We'll send out a note maybe Friday night late as to whether that's actually going to take place. So just stay tuned for that. We'll put it on the calendar, but no, we'll just have to play it by ear as to what we can do this coming weekend. Couple cool things I'll just remind you of. The Daytona Drive-On is out there waiting for folks to dial in on that and get some things. We already got a couple of RSVPs on that one. So take care of that and come on out and join us. We're looking forward to a cool drive on that. Second thing we have coming up is the we're going to a karting event. We're working out some details now. Bruce Baker, one of our members down here in the Cape Coral area, is helping coordinate this. We got it set up for January the 7th. It'll be a team kart thing. We'll split the hours. It'll be an endurance race. It's a little bit more up in the North Florida area. So take a look at that. It'll be posted up. We're trying to work out some details right now. Hopefully have that up by the time this video posts, so you can see that, but check it out down in the bottom pieces. Want to say just kudos up to Courtney and Justin. Missed an opportunity last week to tell you guys about a Cars and Coffee up there. There's a lot of things happening up in the Panhandle, and we really do appreciate their energy going after that. Kevin Tipton's got a drive coming up at the end of the month. We'll have to sort of see what that's going to do with this weekend stuff. But Kevin is also working with me on putting together the drive at the Firm coming up in February. A lot of details putting this together the first time as we do an on-track a driver clinic. I'm not quite sure what we're going to call it yet. We can't call it a race, and it's not a race, but high performance and HPD or something like that. So getting the details worked out on that as we go. For those folks that are on the Magnificent Mountain Driving Tour, should have already gotten your packets out and information out. We look for that back by October 1st. Let us know. It's only about 2 or 3 weeks, so we'll be rolling up to the North Carolina mountains. And should be a lovely drive up there, and the weather and the leaves. I was up just a few days ago finishing up the last details, and the leaves at the higher elevations are already starting to turn, and just really looking forward to a great long weekend. So kudos to that. Some other things happening around the area. Cars and Coffees, some car shows that are coming up in the Ocala area. So a picnic on October the 8th is coming up in the Fort DeSoto area. Al and Tony and all those folks up there are putting together a great picnic. I already see some RSVPs out for that, so come on out and support us all. I'm going to cut this short and get it on the press right quick so Carol won't be fussing at me so much. Thank you, Carol, for all you do. You're amazing webmaster. So until then, we'll see you soon. Be safe during the storm. Happy motoring all. See ya. Bye.